Well, with the situation right now at yung tema ng damdamin ng tao during the campaign, the most worrisome for them, no, is the cleanliness of the city and the peace and order of our city and its citizens. That will confront immediately on the first few hours or when we assume officially by June 30 afternoon. No? Ayun talaga ang prioridad kasi alam mo, nangadugyot ang Maynila ngayon, napapansin ng tao. And yung mga magulang, no, nag-aalala na kaliwat kanan ng snatching, holduping. And remember, Ami, and to our viewers, Manila is the host for our educational institution.
Oo, ang dami.
If not all, at least most schools are located in Manila, except for Ateneo de Manila, who is located in Quezon City. But these schools caters for hundreds of thousands of students.